Be an angel of earth. The world needs angels to make it heaven. Self-assessment is the first step towards the refinement process and becoming capable of bringing impacts individually as well as collectively. These are the angels the world needs, not supernatural beings, but ordinary people with extraordinary character. An angel on earth is someone who offers hope when others are discouraged, kindness when others are cruel, forgiveness instead of revenge, and truth when deception is easier. Such people heal broken hearts, inspire courage, protect the vulnerable, and remind humanity of its highest values. Their influence often extends far beyond what they can see, creating a ripple effect that touches families, communities, and generations. Being an angel on earth does not require wealth, fame, or extraordinary abilities. It requires empathy, humility, patience, generosity, and the courage to do what is right even when no one is watching. Every person has the opportunity to become a source of light in a world that often feels overshadowed by darkness. For more thought-provoking content, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.